So your AirPrint isn't working on your Mac. I completely understand how annoying that can be. But honestly, this is one of those issues that looks way more complicated than it usually is. In this video, I'm just going to walk you through solution, nice and easy, step by step, and we will have everything working smoothly again in no time. Also, feel free to dial in the numbers on the display at any time if you need additional help and get real-time expert guidance real quick. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, check if your printer supports the AirPrint feature. Next, make sure that your macOS is up to date. Make sure your printer and Mac devices are connected to same network. If that is not the case, the issue is still there. Then make sure to remove your printer from Mac and then reconnect it. Go ahead and click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your Mac. From the Open drop-down menu, click on System Preferences. Once the System Preferences window opens, look for Printers and Scanners and click on it. In the open window, select the printer you want to remove. Then click on the minus icon at the bottom of the printers list. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Reset to complete the reset of your printing system. Once the reset is done, you're ready to add your printer back. Simply click the plus button and follow the usual steps to get it set up again. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.